Hello, everybody, boys and girls, children of all ages. Eli the Barber coming right at you, talking to you about a new clipper that came out on the market around, I'm gonna say December of 2021. It's called the Cordless Wahl Legend. I'm very happy this clipper came out. It's as light as the clipper, and it gives you a great, as light as the Magic Clip, and it gives you a great performance, just like the Senior. It has a crunch blade technology that extends from 7.7 millimeters to 1.7 millimeter, and it's very ideal for fading, for taper, and bulk hair. All right, it has a running time of 100 minutes. It runs on a V9 motor rotor. Very, very quiet. Ideal for kids, adults, you name it. The Legend happens to be lighter than the Magic Clip by 1 ounce. It's 8 ounces. The Magic Clip is 9 ounces, and the Senior is 13 ounces. It's a very great clipper to have if you don't want to fall back on your schedule. Very great for cutting fast, fading fast, etc., etc. Wahl Cordless Legend coming right at you, ladies and gentlemen. Leave a comment, subscribe, thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support. Eli the Barber coming right at you.